So hello, today we have this collection of assorted jewels for the watchmaker and I'm going to show you the condition. So over here we have this box with all the jewels with all the sizes written on top of it. Most of them are filled. This is an empty one. Let me show you a full one over here with all the little jewels. Perfect for the watchmaker. Over here some more jewels. And the last box also filled with spare jewels. So yeah, I hope that somebody can use this collection of jewels, and thanks for watching.